Hello guys, this video will teach you how to create a template for your WhatsApp status. This video is for WhatsApp TV owners. If you're a WhatsApp TV owner or you're planning to start your WhatsApp TV, then you may want to watch this video. So the two main apps that I'm using for this app is PhotoRoom and background eraser. So I don't normally use a background eraser, but PhotoRoom can do everything that background eraser could do. So these two apps can be found on Play Store. So this is a PhotoRoom. So PhotoRoom works with internet, doesn't work offline. So first thing to do is to download the background image, so that we are going to use the resolution, the size to start our creation. So you may want to download something that is in portrait, sorry, something that is in landscape. For example, this image, I think this image is in landscape background. So I'm going to download this image. So you open your PhotoRoom, start from photo, then you select the image that you have downloaded. So once you select any image, this app will try to remove the background, but this time around we are not trying to remove any background. So you want to use this image as it is. So we are going to click that image. So we are going to change background. We are going to use color, and then white color for our background. And then done. So if you can notice, this our image is still here, but we don't need this image, so we delete it. Yeah, we delete the image. So the next thing is to import all the necessary things that we needed for this. So you may want to customize your template so that you could be able to put your name and post on your status easily. So you may want your template to capture your social media handles and your TV number, then your QR code and your logo, so that it will be identified to your TV channel. So we start by putting up our TV channel. So this is our TV channel. So we are going to reduce the size. So let's put this at the down right. Yes. So the next thing is to add the social media logo that we needed. So and then for the sake of most of these things that you may need to use regularly, you should start them. You should start them so that you could be able to use them regularly. All the things that you start, if you want to import them, click on this insert, and then you could see your favorite. From your favorite, if you click your favorite, we see all the things that we have started. Okay, you see all the things that we have started. This one is the images, this one is the text. So we go back to our TV channel. Next thing, we are going to import our logo. So but before we put our logo, so let's put a social media handle, for example Facebook. So you reduce the size, you select and reduce the size, then you move it to the location you want it to be. So meaning that this is our Facebook handle. So any object that you place, you can select the object at the three dots and lock the object so that the object will not be moved away from there again. So next step is to, so we are going to duplicate this text. So we are going to duplicate it. So in this one, we are going to write our TV number. Okay. To make it visible so that people can easily see the number. I'm increasing the text size. So I put the number here. Then I'm going to lock the object. Then we are going to import a WhatsApp symbol to show that this is our WhatsApp number. So to reduce image, when the object is selected, use your 2 fingers and then you pull them together. If you want to increase it, you pull your 2 fingers apart when you are in the editor. So this thing can only happen between these white areas. So the image is selected. Then when you want to move the image around, just select the image and then you can move your fingers around within this white area and it will move around. So we are going to lock this one also. Yeah. So the next thing is to import our logo. So this is our logo. The app is trying to remove background from our logo. So if you want the background to be removed, you can remove it and use it this way. For example, I can use this one as the watermark. I can use this as the watermark. But if you don't want the background to be removed, what you will do is click on the click on the image. Once the image is selected, you will see this edit cutout here. Select the edit cutout, then go to restore. Once you move to restore, move your distance from assisted to manual, then increase the width, and then you start to undo all the things that have been done before. So when you are done, click done, and then as you can see, the background has now returned. So you can reduce the size. When selected, you can reduce the size. So for the record, I think I don't want this to have background. Let me remove the background. So I'm going to go to edit again and then eraser. Assisted. So I'll place this one at the top right corner. Increase the size more, place it at the top right corner. So if I want to add this to my favorite, I will click the star button. So this will be added to my favorite. So at the same time, I'm going to lock the object. Then I'm going to import another one. That's an image, but this time around, I will let the app to remove the background. So that I will have it this way as the background of my template. So I also add it to my graphics. So from here you can see that there are so many things you can edit from the app. For example, you could add shadow. Decide the type of shadow you want to have. So you could also change the brightness, make it darker, normal. So you could also blend it to the background. So this time I want to blend it to the background, so it will look like a watermark. So reduce the lesson. Thank you. So now it's done. So this now can now be my background. This can now be my template. Okay, there's one thing that is still remaining. My QR code. I could import my QR code. So I will click the import. Then I move here again. As you can see, this automatically remove the background from my QR code, but I don't want the background to be removed. So first of all, let me lock this app. Okay, sorry, the object. So edit cut. Let me crop the. Okay, right. I did not remove the background. Thank God. So it removed the other background. The white background is still there. So what I needed is just this QR code. So I will click on done. So I don't want the background to be removed. So I click on done. So that is it. I now have this one here. So I can add this to my graphics. So if I want to add this QR code, no need to be moving around the corner anymore. I will just select it from here. So this is the last one that I added. This one is from another TV. So as you can see, the space at the top, that is it here. So all the tools that I'm using regularly, so I added them here. These social media icons, you can get them from online and then crop it and add it to your favorite so that you can be able to use it regularly anytime you want. So this, I don't want it to be in the background, so I'm going to delete it. So now this is my background. This is my template, so I can now export it. I've now saved it to my phone. So the good news is that once you have these things like this, and then you want, let's say that you want to post, let's say you want to post a status, you have gotten your image, and then all you need to do is just add the image to your template. From this app, if you open your app, go to your content, then you see that your template is already there. So you don't need to create another template. Your template is there already. Just click on your template, click on insert, select the name you want to add. Okay, now you want to add this one, but we don't want the background to be removed. You want to add it without the background, so automatically it has removed the background. So now we move to edit cutout. Go to restore, go to manual, increase it to the highest. So we use our hand to undo all the background that has removed. So as you are seeing, the brightness is now moving back to normal. So once we are done, we click done. We can now zoom this to fit in to what you are doing. So once this thing is done, we can insert our QR code, and here, so we can insert it here. Then we can now export the image. Our template is now ready for posting. Then if you have another template, good news, if you can do this as many times as you want. Just delete the one that you have already, insert another one, and then you can continue to do this over and over and over and over and over again. So one thing you need to know about this app is that this app works with internet, so meaning that you cannot work without internet connection if you are using this app. So thank you and God bless you. So if you have watched this video till this time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.